In this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip text in Microsoft Word document. So you can either flip text left, right, or up, down using simple steps that I'm going to show you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now Microsoft Word doesn't provide a straightforward method to flip text in Word document. However, this does not mean it is impossible. There is a way we can do it. For this, go ahead and click on Insert and then head to Word Art. Choose the first option and write your text. For instance, my sample text, and I wish to flip this text in various formats. To flip the text, go ahead and click on this text box and then head to rotate here. If you click under rotate, now you can see we can flip this text or rotate it at right angle like 90 degrees. You can also rotate it left like that. You can also flip it vertical as well as horizontal. So by applying any of this, you should be able to flip your text in Microsoft Word. Alternatively, you can also flip your text by just clicking on the text box or around it and then rotate it using the rotate option here to an angle that you so wish. And by doing so, you should be able to rotate it around and adjust it as you wish. So that's how you can flip text in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.